Hey everyone, want to uninstall Ueli from your Windows computer? Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, switching to another launcher, or simply no longer need the application, uninstalling Ueli is a quick process. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to uninstall Ueli step by step, so let's get started. First, make sure Ueli isn't running. Right-click the Ueli icon in the Windows System tray and choose Exit. If it doesn't close, open Task Manager, select Ueli and click End Task. Next, open Settings, then go to Apps and select Installed Apps. This is the recommended way to remove desktop applications in Windows 11. Use the search box to type Ueli, then select it from the list of installed applications. Click Uninstall, then confirm when Windows asks for permission. The built-in uninstaller will remove the application from your computer. Depending on how you installed Ueli, you can also run uninstall Ueli exe from its installation folder if needed. If you want a completely clean removal, you can delete any remaining configuration or cache folders after uninstalling. Only do this if you no longer want to keep your Ueli settings for future installations. Finally, restart your computer. Restarting ensures any remaining background processes are cleared and completes the uninstall process. And that's how to uninstall Ueli from Windows. Whether you're removing it temporarily or permanently, these steps will safely uninstall the application, and if you choose, clean up any leftover files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.